Hello and welcome to Chicks and Chickens and a cluck cluck there. Old MacDonald here again. This time I want to tell you about the animal we see here. What kind of animal is that? That's right, chickens. Chickens are birds. Birds sing in different ways. These are the ways that chickens sing. Cheep, cheep, cluck. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Female or girl chickens are called hens. Male or boy chickens are called roosters. All chickens have feathers, beaks, and wings. Let's discuss more similarities and differences we see between a hen and a rooster. Both roosters and hens have a wattle hanging under their beaks. Roosters and hens also have a red comb on top of their heads. The rooster's wattle is bigger than a hen's wattle, and the rooster's red comb is bigger. While the hen is the one who says cluck, the rooster is famous for calling cock-a-doodle-doo to wake me up. It's like a farmer's alarm clock. Roosters are also more colorful than hens. Here are a few different kinds of roosters for us to look at. Chickens cannot really fly. They can flap their wings and sometimes get off the ground, but they cannot really fly. I know my chickens cannot fly away, so on small farms we let our chickens roam. Chickens are always pecking and scratching at the ground. A chicken uses its beak to peck for food. They hunt for seeds, small plants, fruits, berries, worms, and insects. Because my chickens are able to move around freely to meet their own needs, they are called free-range chickens. On large chicken farms, where chickens are raised in cages or pens, the owners must take care of the chickens' needs. They give them chicken feed made of corn, wheat, and oats to eat, and the chickens are always able to drink from waterers. In order for a chicken to drink water, it must toss its head back and let the water trickle down its throat. Chickens don't have teeth to chew their food. Instead, the food travels into a pouch in the throat called a crop. In the stomach, food mixes with digestive juices and enters the gizzard. The gizzard contains pieces of sand and small pebbles the chicken has eaten. These are called grit. The grit and the walls of the gizzard grind the food into small pieces. This shelter is called a coop. During the day, chickens have excellent eyesight, but they don't have good night vision. When nighttime comes on my farm, the chickens are put into the coop. They will sleep on a perch. This is called roosting. Inside their coop, they are safe from any nighttime predators, such as weasels, foxes, and raccoons. Hens lay eggs. A group of eggs in a nest is called a clutch. Usually there are 6 to 20 eggs in a clutch. After the hen has laid all her eggs, she sits on them gently, turning them over now and then, keeping them warm and protected. She is nesting. A mother hen incubates her eggs for about 3 weeks. During this time, a chick is growing inside the egg. After the hen sits on her eggs for about 21 days, something amazing will happen. A chick will be born. The eggshell of one of the eggs will begin to crack. The chick will use its egg tooth, a sharp part of its beak, to break out of the shell. The other eggs will begin to hatch too. Hens do not produce milk for their chicks the way cows do for their calves. After chicks hatch, they quickly learn to peck for food on the ground. Today we learned about the ways that chickens' needs are met. We also learned what the chickens' needs are. Now we're going to turn off the video and take some time talking about what chickens need. Tomorrow, we're going to take some time to talk about how chickens can meet our needs.